Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Apple Music library not syncing. So if you have these sync issues, here are a couple of things that you can check in order to get this fixed. So let's get into the video. So firstly, make sure that all your devices are connected to the Wi-Fi, so connected to a proper stable network. So all of those needs to be on the connected, and also make sure that you're logged in with the same Apple ID. So you need to have the same Apple ID logged in so that you can sync it. So make sure these things are on. Okay, and then once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to make sure that on your, when you get to your Apple Music, when you get to your settings on your iPhone, so go to your music, so go to your music. So when you get to your music settings here, so make sure that you have turned on the Apple Music option here and then the purchase option here so that it will show up. And then once you have done with that, then what another thing that you can do is that make sure the sync library option is turned on your iTunes and all other devices if you're using it, so that it's turned on. And apart from that, you also need to make sure that you have an active Apple subscription to music. So if you want to sync your library, then you need to have a subscription to Apple Music. So make sure that it's not expired or you still have something that's valid, and that's pretty much it. So these are some of the things that you can check and see if that's to fix your sync issue. And I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.